Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are on another new week. So with this week's theme, we are all about the half up and the half down styles. This tutorial for today, we're going to do the half up, half down with the top bun. So let's jump right into it so you can see how I created this style. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. I am starting on fresh wash hair. Today was wash day. So given how quick this style is, I figured I can show you all how I moisturize and detangle my hair before every style. Now I start with moisturizing my hair with the aloe vera juice, as you see in my spray bottle. I'm spraying all over my hair. And the method I'm following is the lock method, which is first you start with a liquid, then an oil, and then you close with a cream. This is to help lock all the moisture into your hair so it doesn't evaporate throughout the day. So as you can see, I'm just spraying it all over my head just to make sure my hair is saturated with the aloe vera juice, but it's not to the point where it's like dripping. Then I go through with my detangling brush and I just detangle my hair just to make sure I'm reaching every point of, well, every strand of my hair with the aloe vera juice, but also just getting out any kinks. It just makes it easier throughout the process for me to style. Now that I finished detangling my hair, the next step is the oil step. So I am using an oil that I actually just put together. It's really nothing but just rosemary, lemongrass, and some jojoba oil that I use. This is the type of oil I use all the time in my hair. It just goes with my texture and I like how it feels. You can use any other oil that you like. I do like coconut oil and castor oil too, so I may use those sometimes, but this is just something I use pretty much on a regular basis. Later, you'll see me go through with my detangling brush and also go back through my hair just to make sure all of the oil is reaching all of my strands. Okay guys, the last step of the lock method is the cream portion, and the cream that you just saw me use is the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I apply that to the ends of my hair and I work it through my hair, and then I'll take my detangling brush and just make sure that I am spreading that throughout the strands of my entire head. And that's pretty much what I do to detangle and make sure I'm moisturizing my hair before every style. Okay, so now that we are done detangling and moisturizing your hair, we are now ready to move on to our half up and half down style with the top bun. So the first step of this style is to part your hair into two halves, as you see me doing here. You'll see the front half and then you'll have a back half. Now that we're done splitting off the hair into two halves, I'm just clipping off the front half for just a quick second. This way I can just get my back half together so I can move it out my way so that I can start working on my top bun. Now that the back half is out of my way, I am now ready to work on the top part of my hair. I am going to go back through my detangling brush just to brush it up into that ponytail so I can begin to form my top bun. And before forming that top bun, I do go around my head in that first half with Eco Styling Gel, just so I can lay every strand and loose hairs down so it can have a very smooth finish to that top bun. You want that to lay down so it can look smooth. Now that we're done laying everything down, our hair's in a ponytail, we are now ready to form that top bun. As you can see, I just really take my hair and just wrap it around that ponytail. I will go through and secure it with some hairpins. I do not wrap it around tightly because I do not want that tight look. I actually want it to look a little loose and not so neat. Really your preference of how you want your top bun to look. So as you can see here, I wrapped it around and I'm starting to secure it with some hairpins. Now that we're done securing the top bun, this is pretty much how your top bun should look, and we are now ready for the last part, which is the back half of our hair. Okay, the first thing I do at the back is start to detangle it with my detangling brush, just to make sure that all the tangles and kinks are out. As you can see, I do use my detangling brush a lot. Okay, now that we're done detangling the back, we can now use our curl gel or cream, whichever one you prefer. I prefer the gel. And I use this just to revitalize any of the curls that I've lost from detangling my hair earlier. So I will apply that generously all over the back of my hair just to bring back some of those curls. Now that we're done applying the curl gel or cream, whichever one you use, we're now ready to just pretty much fluff the back to how we want it. If we want it really big or some more curls. As you can see, I'm twirling some of my hair around just to bring back some of the curls, just to get rid of the fluff, I call it, or the frizz, just so it can have that curly look more towards the front and the part that's around my bun. So as you can see, I'm just taking little pieces and twirling around my finger. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We are done with this look. You'll see me turn around and do a 360 of this look of the half up, half down with the top bun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon.